Acid and bases are popular chemicals which interact with each other, resulting in the formation of salt and water. The word acid comes from a Latin word. In our everyday lives, we use many components which scientists call as acid. The orange or grapefruit juice you drink for breakfast contain citric acid. It is also known as vitamin C. When milk turns sour, it contains lactic acid. An acid is any hydrogen containing substance that is capable of donating a proton or hydrogen ion to another substance. Acid substances are usually identified by the sour taste. An acid is basically a molecule which can donate an hydrogen ion and can remain energetically powerful after a loss of hydrogen ion. Acids are known to turn blue to litmus red. Properties of acid. Acids are corrosive in nature and they are good conductor of electricity, and also acid their pH values are always less than 7. When reacted with metal, the substance produce hydrogen gas. Acids are sour tasting substance and also acids are soluble in water. For an example, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, etc. How does metal react with acid? Acid react with most metals to form hydrogen gas and a salt. Nevertheless, not all metal reacted in the same way to acid. When an acid reacts with metal, salt and hydrogen gases are produced. Metals which are more active than acid, it may form a single displacement reaction. How does sodium hydroxide reacted with zinc? When a metal reacted with an acid, it generally displaces from hydrogen from the acid. This leads to the evolution of hydrogen gas. The metal combined with remaining part of acid to form a salt. For an example, the reaction of zinc with sodium hydroxide, 1 mole of zinc and 2 mole of sodium hydroxide. The 1 mole of zinc is solid state and 2 mole of sodium hydroxide, it is a aqueous solution. It gives sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. I repeat, for an example, the reaction of zinc with sodium hydroxide, the 1 mole of zinc and 2 mole of sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium zincate plus the evolution of gas. I can read equation method. The 1 mole of zinc, it is a solid state and 2 mole of sodium hydroxide, it is a aqueous solution. It is gives sodium zincate Na2Zn O2 and it gives hydrogen gas or H2. Experimental setup for sodium hydroxide with zinc metal. The action of sodium hydroxide and zinc metal. The following diagram you can see. The first, take a clean and dry test tube. Second, add zinc granules in it. Third, submerge the zinc granules in the test tube by adding sodium hydroxide to it. Fourth, close the test tube with cork which has a glass delivery tube. Fifth, just heat with explosion take place between 2 to 3 minutes. liberating odorless and colorless gas. Sixth, when a burning matchstick is brought near to the glass tube, a mouth, the gas burn with a ball blue flame with a pop sound